10 million sales last year, Nokia's smartphone division, now run by HMD Global, is rising like a phoenix from the ashes. And while it's taken way longer than we wanted to get our hands on a high-octane spotlight product, we'd like to welcome you to the party. At MWC 2018, I'm Jaime Rivera with Jules Wong on camera. This is our hands-on of the Nokia 8 Sirocco and the Nokia 7 Plus, brought to you by Invisible Shield. What is a Nokia these days? You know, besides the one odd bit they put out every so often to get nostalgia freaks through the door, which includes me 100%, well, simply put, it's a classy hardware design along with some fancy Zeiss camera glass, a very clean near-stock Android experience, making it smooth and fast with almost any spec sheet. Take the Nokia 7 Plus for starters. While polycarbonate isn't exactly as luxurious as diamonds, there's been care taken to accent the frame with a splash of copper to contrast the wide swaths of black and white and give it definition in the hand. Here you'll find a 6-inch Full HD display at 2:1 aspect ratio and a Snapdragon 660 processor. The dual camera system can capture 12-megapixel wide shots and 13-megapixel telephoto pictures with 2x optical zoom. Sure, it's a pretty good phone, but we can definitely go prettier. And for that, meet the Nokia 8 Sirocco. Sirocco, I hope I pronounced it right. With a name like that, it has to be a piece of art. And it really is. In fact, we think that the Sirocco pulls off glass sandwich design in vogue today better than any other. Two panes of curved Gorilla Glass meet up in a super thin beam of stainless steel, and you can actually feel that stainless steel when you hold it. The same dual camera system of the 7 Plus is placed right near the top of the back, adding in a traditional 16:9 plastic OLED display at 2K resolution, and you have a capable yet stout-looking phone. You know, it's distinctive design, and something we don't mind being unique for uniqueness' sake. With a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835, Nokia is also putting in the ability to record 24-bit audio at up to 132 decibels. That's supposed to keep fidelity high even at loudness levels that are supposed to damage your ears permanently. The two new Nokias are Android One phones, so they're subject to fast security and OS updates. Expect the 7 Plus out in March, somewhere around €399, and the 8 Sirocco in April for closer to $749. Yeah, I know, that's steep. Obviously, there is more coverage from Nokia. We did have an opportunity to play a little with the banana phone, and that's a separate video because it deserves it. While you're at that, hey, here's a word from our sponsor. Folks, our coverage of MWC 2018 continues. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Learn more about Invisible Shield in the link in the description. We thank them for making this coverage possible. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera, and Jules at PointJules. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. More videos coming soon.